we are really privileged and very happy to bring this kind of very esteemed patient who comes to us doing such complex surgeries in our hospital. This is a testimony of our hospital, which is how much trust a patient is putting on our hospital. This is not one or two people who are delivering this kind of services. This is last 20 years, this journey of Sparsh has been giving the best clinical outcome in India. You might have seen many of the stories which Sparsh has delivered so far in terms of various kind of specialty, various kind of surgeries. And at this age of 100 also, a patient who is coming to us for such complex surgery, this gives us a lot of inspiration, a lot of faith on ourselves, because at that age, most of the patient, even if it's in our family, we think about managing some more year with managing some pain, and somehow we want to pass some more years. That's how we think. But this family has been really contributing and putting their effort and trusting on us.
100 years last year, that when she had come with a very complex hip fracture. So then, luckily the family people, they agreed for the surgery. We are counseled very well. I explained then the complexity of the surgery. So with that age and kind of fracture, it's very difficult to manage in a small hospitals like that. So now we are well equipped with that, whatever complexities we come across. So we counseled the patient very well because of her age. She had got a comorbidities, osteoporosis, and osteoarthritis, and even her intake was a little less compared to the younger age group. When you compare to the younger age group, the older age group, there are a lot of other problems like one, loss of muscle mass, then osteoarthritis, bone loss. So because of this bone loss, they have even severe, trivial fall, just a slip and fall, they will have fractures. So we have to take care of all those things. Then we counseled for the surgery, which is a very complicated. So as a fracture itself was a very complex fracture because the comminuted femur fracture. The femur is very weight bearing, which allows any patient to walk. But with the fracture, they will not be able to walk. If you don't treat them at the right time, so they will be bedridden. So there are other complications.
Like any other patient, but these patients are a little more challenged because our precision on calculations and the medications are very important here. We are so happy to see that everything went on well, and post-operative pain is another part. If these things we taken care, most of the complications are handled better. So that one we have done. And as our concern, the age is merely a number. The advanced age or the number of complexities or comorbidities or the issues they are having, that should not deny a person their right to mobility and independence. And as a team, we are proud to be part of her healing journey and wishing her a healthy, happy, and life.
He convinced me, no. She will be very awake. She will actually, and one of mom's comments was, somebody's actually hammering. That was one of her comments during the surgery because the bone has to be hammered in. And he was doing it. मैं बता रहा हूँ आपकी सर्जरी के बारे में, फिर आपको मौका देंगे बोलने का। आपकी सर्जरी के बारे में।
ये लोग डॉक्टर्स हैं क्या?
ये प्रेस है, ये डॉक्टर्स यहाँ आपके बाजू में।
अब क्या होगा? अभी कब की
So
सर्जरी होगी?
one of the things I want to see, say one of the things about the ICU.
ಬರ್ಡೇ ಕೇಕ್
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಾಧನೆ ಅನ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿರೋಂಥ ಸರ್ಜರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ವಿ. ಇದು ಒಂಥರ ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಷನಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವಯಸ್ಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಕೇರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟಿಂದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ಸ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ಜರಿ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಈಗ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟತೆ ಏನೇ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳಾಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬೋನ್ ಮೂಳೆಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಾಯ ಪಡಿತಾರೆ.
ಅವ್ರ ಏಜ್
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಡಯಾಗ್ನೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಸರ್ ವಯಸ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ದೇಹ ಸ್ಪಂದಿಸ್ತಾ ಸರ್?
ಡೆಫಿನೆಟಾಗಿ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪರ್ಸ್ನಾಲಿಟಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತೆಳುವಾಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ನೋಡಿ ಅಸೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬಂತು. ನಮ್ಮದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಥರ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಧೈರ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಮುಚ್ಚಿತ್ತು. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೂರ್ಗಿಂದ ಬಂದವರೊಬ್ಬರು ಹಳೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟ್ಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು 109 ವಯಸ್ಸು. ನನಗೂ ಅದು ಇದೇ ಥರ ಇದ್ದರು. ಅವರೊಂದು ಶಾರ್ಟು ಥಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಬಟ್ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್, ಮೆಂಟಲಿ ಈ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿ ಆಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ 3 ದಿವಸ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದರು. ಹಾಗೆ ಕೂರ್ಗೆ ಹೋದರು.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Maji.
Actually, we are celebrating next year.